Sitting at the table, and the hours getting later. She was supposed to be here. She sure would've called. Just a little longer. There's no one in the driveway. Once I did seeing him, why was something wrong? So look back into the window. Suddenly the phone rings. And Chris, something's happened. She should come by now. Her mind goes to December. She thinks of when he asked her to kneel on his knee first, and he said, I want you forever, forever and always. Through the good and the bad and the ugly, we'll grow together, forever and always. She moved up to the entrance. She walked in through the front desk. They lead her down a million halls, a maze that's never ending. About to happen, but she can barely hear them. With a look of a straight face, as she walks into the room, she sits by his bed, side holds his hand too tight. Look about the kids they're gonna have in the good life, the house on the hillside where they would stay there forever, forever and always. Through the good and the bad and the ugly, we'll grow together and always remember, whether rich or for poor or for better, we'll still love each other forever and always. There she gets an idea and calls in the nurses, brings up the chaplain, says a couple verses, he borrows from rings from the couple next door. Everybody is laughing as she falls on the floor. It looks into their eyes and she says, I want you forever, forever and always. Through the good and the bad and the ugly, we grow up together and always remember, whether happy or sad or whatever, we still love each other forever and always, forever and always, forever and always. Finishes the vows, but the beats are getting too slow. His voice is almost too low. He says, I love you forever, forever and always. Please just remember, even if I'm not there, I'll always love you forever and always. Thanks for watching.